Good morning, dear friends. Today in the gospel reading, we see questions about the Sabbath. Jesus and his disciples were walking through the grain fields on a Sabbath, and the disciples were hungry and they begin to pick the heads of grain and start to eat them. But when the Pharisees saw this, they said, "Look, your disciples do what is not lawful on a Sabbath." But Jesus is giving to them two examples of the Old Testament. He says, "Haven't you read that when David and his companions, when they were hungry, they entered the house of God and they ate the consecrated bread? The consecrated bread was only meant for the priests, but yet they ate which was not lawful for them to eat." And he also gives them another example that on the Sabbath, the priests in the temple, they work in the temple, they do the works of the temple on a Sabbath. So aren't all these examples of breaking the Sabbath law, but yet they are innocent? God does not condemn them, God does not punish any of them. God never punished David and his companions, neither does God punish the priests who work in on the Sabbath in the temple. And Jesus is telling something greater than the temple is here. Jesus, the presence of Jesus is greater than all the rules, the regulations, and everything. And he says, you should first know the meaning of this. I desire compassion and not sacrifice. He says, if you know the meaning of this, you would not have condemned the innocent. Jesus is telling that his disciples were innocent when they were picking the grains and they were eating, because God is a compassionate God. God does not create rules and regulations to condemn man. We need to think today, was man made because God wanted someone to keep his law or keep his commandments or keep his Sabbath? No, the commandments, the Sabbath, the law, everything was made for man so that man could partake in that glorious nature of God, so that man could walk in the ways of Lord, man could find rest in God's presence. And that is why all these things, the law, the Sabbath, the commandments, everything was made for man. Man is not made for the commandments, man is not made for the Sabbath, but the Sabbath was made for man. And Jesus was making them understand the true meaning of all these things. But many a times we also become like Pharisees. We only follow the rules and laws and all the things externally, not knowing the true meaning of it, not knowing the true spirit, the intention behind all these things. The intention of God is that man needs to find rest in him. The Sabbath was meant to find rest in God's presence. And that is why Jesus also tells, "Come to me, all who are weary and heavy laden, and I will give you rest." Jesus is talking about that inner rest, not the physical rest, but he's talking about inner rest, inner peace that we find in Jesus alone. That's why today, greater than everything is Jesus. Jesus is the fulfillment of the law. The entire law and the prophets are summoned in one statement: love the Lord your God and love your neighbor. And there is nothing greater than this. And God desires, and God is a merciful God, compassionate God. He considers man above every law, above every commandment. He wants man because he loves man. He has created man in his image and likeness to be with him, to be partakers of his divine nature. And this is the true meaning of all laws, rules, regulations, commandments, traditions. Everything is created for man so that man may find rest in God, man may find God, man may find peace in the true God, and the true God is Jesus Christ. Thank you. God bless you.